abakuumaddembe n'abalwanyisa obumenyi bw'amateeka abawerera ddala 4 bafulumiziddwa okusobola okwongera amaanyi mu ggye. Bano bamaze ebbanga lya myezi 3 nga bali mu kutendekebwa mu ngeri ey'okutangiramu obumenyi bw'amateeka. Mu kwogera kwe, Oulanyah yabakuutidde okweyisa obulungi okusobola okukuuma erinnya ly'ekitongole ekya poliisi mu bantu.
Do you have the right attitude? Do you have the right attitude? Yes. Or are you going to be another crime promoter? Do you have the right attitude? Yes. Promise? Yes. Is that the promise? Yes. The right attitude? Yes. All persons employed in any capacity in government institutions must have the right attitude. That attitude means you are not appointed there by yourself, but you're ordained by God to deliver a purpose for the bigger majority of people, not for yourself.
Agamba nti waliwo obwetaavu ebitongole byonna ebikuuma eddembe okwegattira awamu okusobola okuleeta eddembe buli wantu wonna. Yesaadumizi wa poliisi General Kale Kayihura ategeezezza nti lino lye limu ku makubo amangi poliisi geeyiseemu okulongoosa ebyokwerinda wano mu ggwanga.
When you prevent crime, you save the whole cost of money, lots of money spent by this country through the jailers program, justice, law and order sector.
You know, from the little I have, in my experience, the little I have seen, it's not so much that the country has resources, it's not so much the size of the population of the country. It is how organized a country is for it to be successful in progress. And I think the critical, the deficit in this country